Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we need to create about complementary solution and particular solution. So for the first one, I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of yc. We have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So we do first derivative of e to the power of lambda s. You got about e to the power of lambda s. We keep the same. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc. And we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution. So I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s minus number 3 lambda e to the power of lambda s plus number 2 e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. So we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So now we need to find the solution of this one. So this one we have lambda equals to number 1 and lambda equals to number 2. So we have yc equals to c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. So we need to change lambda into number 1. So we have e to the power of s. And we have c number 2. That is about constant number 2 e to the power of 2s. About particular solution, I will put about yb. So we see that we have e to the power of negative s and cosine 3s. So this one we need to put about 8e to the power of negative s plus b cosine 3s plus c sine 3s. Now if we do first derivative of yb, we have negative 8 e to the power of negative s. This one we have negative 3b sine 3s. Because first derivative of cosine 3s, we have negative number 3 sine 3s. And the second one, we have 3c cosine 3s. Now if we do second derivative of yb from first derivative of yb, so we have 8e to the power of negative s. Because first derivative of e to the power of negative s, you got negative e to the power of negative s. Negative with negative, we have positive. This one, we have negative number 9 b cosine 3s. This one, we have negative number 9 c sine 3x. And now we have this one. So after we have this one, so I will put yb go to here. This one go in here. And this one go in here. So we have like this. And now we need to simplify it. So positive 1a, negative, we have positive 3a and 2a. And we have 6a e to the power of negative s. This one we simplified, and we have 2b cosine 3s. This one we have negative 16c. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. This one we have cosine 3s, so we need to concentrate about cosine 3s in here. So we have negative 7b minus 9c. And the second one, that is about sine 3s. So that should be about this one in here. So we have negative 7c. And the next one, we have positive 9b. So we need to compare coefficients. So we see that we have number 3. This one we have 6, 8. So we have first equation, that is about 6, 8 equals to number 3. We have cosine 3s. We have cosine 3s. This one we have negative number 10. So we have negative 7b, negative 9c equals to negative number 10. This one we don't have sine 3s, so 9b minus 7c equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of a, b, c. About this one, we just divide both sides by number 6. And we have a equals to 1 over 2. So we have the system of equation in here. And we have b equals to 7 over 13. And c equals to 9 over 13. Now we put B and C. A, B, C go back in here. So after we have YB, we combine YC and YB in here. YC, that is about this one. And YB, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.